Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the bottom of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Use arrows button to navigate through it. Right here we can find range, trip B, trip A. You can go to user settings, check service info, check coolant temperature, check travel time, average speed, current fuel consumption, average fuel consumption. Also we can go to settings, and in settings we can find doors settings, light settings, convenience settings, other features. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.